Hello and welcome to Red Scouser 7799 channel. How you're keeping out there? Today is another day for a booster box opening for Panini Prizm Euro 2016. You've seen previous videos. I've opened many of those boxes. Really quality product from Panini. As you can see here, you get either one autograph or Prizm parallel card sequentially numbered to 20 or less in each box. On average, this box has 24 packets and each packet will have 6 cards. And really pleased with this Prizm product. And if you've watched my last video, I managed to pull the ultra rare white Prizm. That was the Ukrainian player. Can't remember his name, but if you watch my last video, the last box I opened, you will see this white Prizm. As you can see here, base is 250 cards. Red and light blue Prizms, 1 in every 24. The white Prizm is 1 in 288 packs. Basically, you're looking at a full case of 12 boxes. So every 12 boxes you open, you get one white Prizm, which yours truly pulled in the previous video, the previous box, in addition to pulling an autograph card from an Icelandic player, Finn Buggerson. So hopefully this box will be as generous as the other one. So gonna rip it open and let's enjoy the opening. Here we go. We'll leave one side till later. Here we go. We'll open the first part. 12 packets. Alright, let's have some fun. Zabitzer, Cathcart, Joe Allen. We get an Olivier Giroud Prizm. It tells you in the back here, it says Prizm. This is the silver Prizm. Bale and Stepanenko. Keep the base in the back. We get Janko, Carroll, Ozyakup, Sigurdsson, Haldorsson, and we have a purple Prizm. Lovely. Neil Taylor. Swansea and Wales, of course. Beautiful bordered. Let's see. 64 of 99. Gives you a bit of info in the back on the player. He's 125 in the base out of 250. So he's halfway through. So this is a purple Prizm. First nice insert. Alright. Hopefully we can pull something good. Podolski, Sterling, Turan, Roshi. We get Rui Patricio and it looks like a flash. Yeah. We get a Joe Ledley flash card. That's nice. So we got a Welsh insert special. These are not numbered. It's another parallel Prizm. Joe Ledley flash. The flash is numbered. Trying to find it for you. It's not numbered, but it is 1 in every 24 packets. So basically 1 per box. You get a flash card. It's not bad. Mats Hummels, Walcott, Grankvist, Choluka, Haisai, and a Tony Cruz Stars of the Midfield. That's a subset. De Gea, Joe Hart, Durmaz, Rakitic, we've got Perisic, and we get a Cristiano Ronaldo Prizm. A silver Prizm. You see the difference here, the shine. So we get a Cristiano Ronaldo Prizm. Not bad. Nice one. I must have mixed. Here we go. Alright. So we've got 3 Prizm parallels so far, and 1 subset and 1 purple. Fabregas, Fellaini, we get Jan Sommer, Kim Chalstrom, Kombarov, and behind that we get Shaqiri scoring leaders. Nice card. Switzerland. 4 goals in 9 games. Alright, not bad. A lot of those subsets are 1 per box, so if you get something more than that, it's fantastic. El Shaarawy, Arnautovic, Robbie Keane, Fabian Schär. We get Kovacic, the Slovakian keeper, and a Lukaku Prizm. Just a regular Prizm. Those usually are about 6 per box. We've already pulled 3 of them. Ronaldo, Giroud, Lukaku. Not bad. Pirlo, Alaba, Hennessy, France, European Championship history. It's a nice subset. Unfortunately, that's a double. I did not need this one. Aaron Ramsey and Rotan. Junuzovic, Brunt, Yarmolenko, Bjarnason, and Finn Bogason. Icelandic, and red, white and blue. The red, white and blue representing the colors of the Euros, of course. Nice one. Red. The blue is down on the side and the white around the corner. And it's Shay Given Prizm. Again, 1 per box for them. McGinn, Wilshere, Çalhanoğlu, Sikalici. We get Bruno Alves, Portugal, and a Forward Thinkers subset. Kokorin for Russia. Number 4. Alright. Mario Götze base, Barkley. Forsberg for Sweden. Lorik Chana, the captain for Albania. We get Balai Albania as well, and a Rosicki Prizm. Here we go. So that's a 4th Prizm. Hopefully we won't be pulling more than the 6 that we should be pulling, or else that'll be disappointing. Fingers crossed. Alright. Neuer, Henderson, Olsen, Subasic the keeper, Brozovic another Croatian, and Switzerland badge. Nice one. All the teams are represented with the badges. 4th Euro final berth in 2016. Nice. So them badges as well, they're only 1 per box unless you lock out. So this is the first part. We've opened 12. Let's get the remainder. Keep cracking. PK, Kane, Zengen, Zayuba, Russia, Oleg Shatov, Russia, and looks like we have pulled Ashley Williams. Boom! Ashley Williams, signature card. This is a Welsh box, I'm telling you. Here we go. So this is just the base of signature cards. Usually if you get the bordered ones, they'll be sequentially numbered. We got SAW. So AW is for Ashley Williams. And it's just a regular base signature card. Alright. I hope I've got a few Welsh viewers or a few Swansea City or Evertonians. Here's one for you, lads. Benteke, Nesid, Ibrahimovic base card. Here we go, bit of info in the back. Akinfeev, Seferovic, and a blue Prizm. Lovely blue Prizm for Kevin De Bruyne, Belgium. And the blue is numbered to 249, 165. Purple is numbered to 99. So the purple is more, it's got more value, if you want to put it that way. But if it's a bigger player, then that doesn't really matter. So we've pulled a De Bruyne blue. See, here's his base card. That's very apt. We get them one after the other. Exactly same card. It's just different Prizm. The border's blue. Everything the same. I'm glad that you guys got to see that. And it's the same with all other cards. Here's a Prizm for Casillas. Our fifth one. The silver one. We get Maxim and Christian Nemeth for Hungary in the away kit. Derrida, Pepe, Hulahan, Tatarusanu, Grozitsky, and look at that. We pulled another European Championship history card. This one is the Spain 1964. Absolutely fantastic, because these are supposed to be one in every box. If you remember the first part, I pulled the France. Here we go. So we got two European Championship history ones, which is absolutely fantastic. Can't complain about that. Alright. Matuidi, Chiellini, Shane Long, Berami. We get Jumba for Slovakia and a triple. Wow, nice one. We pulled our first triple. And it's Petr Cech, Thomas Rosicky, and David Lafata for the Czech Republic. Here's their stats in the back. Number 2 in the subset. Nice one. Bonucci, Alma, Kuchka for AC Milan, of course, Slovakia, Fedetsky, Ukraine, Andy King for Wales, and a goalkeeper, Haldursson, of course, for Iceland, who did really well. Goalkeeper section, or subset. Good stuff. Thomas Muller, Norwood. We get Cerner, Shevchuk, Mandzukic, Eastern European Special. And we get our double. It's Yilmaz, Burak Yilmaz and Umut Bulut for Turkey. Nice one. It's another subset. Here we go, number 52. I believe there's 52 of them. For the duos. Busquets, upside down Dochal for Czech Republic. Konoplyanka, Kerzakov, Russian Special, and Berezutsky. 3 Russian players in this pack. And a blue Prizm. Fabian Schär, Switzerland. And this one is numbered 107 to 249. And the De Bruyne was 165. Alright, not bad. Got 4 packets left. Nainggolan, Varane, Shirokov, Gary Cahill, Silver Prizm, Jagoyev and Aziz. Courtois, Martial, Shaqiri. Stars of the midfield, David Silva. Nice card. Chipsiu and Babachan. Suchi, Nani, Krychowiak. We get a fantastic Nemeth and Jalai Hungarian duo. Nice. I wasn't expecting another double. That's lovely. I need this one. That's good. It's a nice card. Really like the red and the white and the kit. Goes fantastic together. Torhe and Glenn Whelan. Alright, our last 24th packet for the booster box opening for Prizm. Euro 2016. Griezmann, Verratti, Lewandowski. And we get the Sweden team. Good stuff. Black and white in the back. Very well done. Mehmedi and Given. Here you go. Here's all the base cards. We've opened 24 packets, a full box for Panini Prizm Euro 2016. And these are the hits. We got 2 blues, De Bruyne and Fabian Schär. We got a purple, numbered to 99, Neil Taylor for Wales. And the hit of the box, Ashley Williams for Wales. A regular autograph card. Alright. I really hope you've all enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button in your section. The thumbs up, of course. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of good stuff to share with you guys later on. Thank you very much for watching. Redskausa signing off. Ta-da!